If you're seeing an Epic Games account error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account and back to gaming. We'll check for service issues, clear the launcher cache, sync your system clock, turn off any VPN that may be causing a mismatch, and if needed, reset your password to refresh your login session. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's fix it. First, before changing anything on your computer, go to epicgames.com and check whether Epic Online Services and the login systems are working properly. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all. If the servers are down or experiencing issues, the best fix is simply to wait until Epic restores service. This is always the first thing I recommend because it saves time and avoids unnecessary changes. If the services look fine, the next step is to clear the Epic Games launcher cache. This solves a lot of sign-in and account-related errors because old cached files can interfere with the launcher trying to connect properly. To do this, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Make sure it is not just minimized, check the system tray near the clock and fully exit it from there. Once the launcher is fully closed, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type %, local app data %, and press enter. This will open your local app data folder. From there, find the Epic Games Launcher folder, then open the Save folder and look for the Web Cache folder. Delete the Web Cache folder completely. Don't worry, this is safe and the launcher will rebuild it automatically the next time you open it. After that, restart the Epic Games Launcher and try signing in again. In many cases, clearing this cache is enough to remove the account error and restore normal login behavior. If you're still getting the error, the next thing to check is your system clock. An incorrect date or time can cause authentication problems because Epic may reject the login if your device time is out of sync. To fix this, open Windows Settings, go to Time and Language, then choose Date and Time. Make sure your time zone is correct and then click Sync Now. This forces your computer to match the correct time automatically. Now let's move on to another common cause, VPNs. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it temporarily. A VPN can make Epic think you're logging in from a different region, and that can trigger account errors or login verification problems. After turning off the VPN, try signing in again with your normal connection. If that works, you found the issue. If none of those steps solve it, the final fix is to reset your password. On the Epic Games sign-in page, click the Forgot Your Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Even if you already know your password, this can help refresh your account authentication token and clear login issues tied to your current session. After resetting the password, sign back in with the new credentials and see if the error is gone. At this point, one of these steps should have fixed the Epic Games account error. Start with the service check, then clear the cache, sync the clock, disable any VPN, and finally reset the password if needed. These are the safest and most effective fixes to try first before moving on to anything more advanced. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick software and gaming fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.